What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JPtheinstallguy comes out with another how-to. Today we got a 2014 Ford Expedition. I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out and install your double din radio. This is your first time tuning in. Please consider subscribing. This is the type of things that we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removals, Q&As, all that good stuff. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take my panel removal tool and I'm gonna come over here to the edge. I'm gonna start popping some of these clips because we just have to get this trim part out. I know some of the Ford F-150s, this is all one piece. Not this one, it's just the one piece. So now that we got that one in, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm up here to the side. Just want to pop some of them clips. Get that boy free. Just like that. Now, this isn't anything like super duper important as far as like a passenger airbag or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug these so I can get this out of the way. All right, so now we got that part out the way. We have 4 7mm, and then guess what? We'll have that radio. 4 7mm down, pulls radio out. Takes out the harness in the back. That was pretty simple. We just took that radio out in like less than a minute. So let's go ahead and get over here to our test bench and get our radio prep. So we have the test bench, we got the dash kit. This dash kit comes with the single din and the double din, so we are using the double din part. A lot of the times you guys will look at it and say, man, that's not mine because it has a big old pocket in it, but this part is smaller and it's tucked inside the pocket. I will have all the links in the description. First thing you want to do is you'll look at it. There is an R for right and an L for left. So, and the right, this part is going to be at the bottom. The one that has like the little notch is going to be at the bottom. So, you know, this is going to be the right side. So you want to take it and kind of go in like that and bend it down, and then they will snap in right here. So we did it for the right. I'm going to go ahead and do it for the left. All right, so as you can see, you got the left and the right side on. We're just going to hold our radio up, go over it like this. Boom. So now we have it. I'm going to take the screws that came with the deck and we'll put one in the front, one in the back on both sides. All right, so there we go. We got one in the front, one in the back on both sides. We have it in here looking real flush. Now with this Ford Expedition, we're going to be using these two in the front to mount, and this is going to get in the way. So we definitely want to go ahead and cut these little tabs off. All right, so we have them cut off on the right side, cut off on the left side. Let's get this thing wired up and get back inside the car. All right, guys, so I'm back inside the car. We got the radio wired up. Now, if it's your first time here, you're probably thinking, man, you did not actually go over the wiring. Well, the reason I do that is because here on this channel, we like to keep things short, sweet, straight to the point, and going over the wiring every single time I'm gonna do one of these adds an extra 5 to 10 minutes to the videos, and I just don't want to keep them long. So what I did is I made one video showing you how to wire up a radio. I go over connections, different what each wire color means. That link is in the description, and also the card in the corner. And for the people who are the further supporters, they also get the behind the scenes stuff and the extra like wire diagrams and wire colors. I give those to all my Patreon guys. So if you guys want to be a further supporter, that Patreon link is in the description as well. Let's go ahead and get this thing put back in, and let's see what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right, y'all, that's what it looks like when it's all said and done, man. If you guys found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. All the links for the products that I've used will be in the description. And if you want to be a further supporter, don't forget to join that Patreon page. That link is in the description too, where you can get the wire colors, behind the scenes stuff, and a chance to win some free stuff. Till then, it's your boy JP signing out.